Guys, tonight we're gonna do some lobster rolls, Maine style. So they're gonna be hot, they're gonna be buttery, and that's about it. A little bit of lemon, which I didn't cut the lemon yet. So I gotta go cut the lemon. We're gonna do it on the Blackstone tonight. It's gonna be awesome. So I got the perfect rolls. Wait till you see. We'll be right back. Guys, I'm so excited. I got these awesome rolls today from Bucks County Seafood. Look at these rolls. They're the flat top, or the split top. They got the flat on both sides. So here's what we're gonna do. Yes, I just washed my hands. So we're gonna butter them up this side, butter them up on this side. I got the heat down low. And it looks like I have 6 rolls here. Let me get these guys on. We get them nice and toasted up. And we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got the lobster here. So we bought this, it's frozen, lobster pieces. They're pretty small. So what I'm gonna do is, let me get rid of this top of the butter wheel. I'm gonna grab some of this butter and just kind of throw it down with the lobster. It's already cooked, so I'm just basically warming it up, giving it a little flavor with some butter. I don't want to overcook it. We're still at low heat. So we got that. The heat's off over here. I have some lemon slices here, lemon quarters. So we're gonna just go ahead and add a little bit of lemon to these. And after you squeeze them in, I like just dropping the lemon in there. It's not gonna hurt anything. So we'll use 3 right now. All right, let me put this off to the side. Mix it around. And again, this was cold from the fridge. We're just reheating it up, adding a nice little bit of butter and lemon to it, just to heat it up. And as you can tell, the neighbor's dogs are pretty excited about lobster rolls. Our dogs are inside, enjoying the cool. It's pretty hot out today. All right, let me let that go a little bit. We'll be right back. All right, now call me crazy, but I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on. I don't know if that's what they do up in Maine, but that's what we do here in Pennsylvania. We like our salt and pepper. So, all right, we're about ready. Let's go ahead and mix some of these guys up. All right, so we have our lobster. We have our perfect rolls. Just gonna take one of these guys. Gonna open them up. And that guy broke. I don't know if we care about that really. Let me do 3 at a time here. So I'll grab some lobster. Dripping with butter and lemon. Put it on there. Get these lemons out of the way. Now they're getting annoying. This lemon has caught a piece of lobster in it. All right, so that's that one. So I'm learning that these rolls tend to break apart when you toast them up. So let me make these guys. Oh, look at that though. Look at that. That's awesome. Let me get some lemon. Just kind of sprinkle it down a little bit on each one. Buttery, lemony, hot lobster in these perfect rolls. So let me get some plates here and we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's put this together. Oh, I gotta show you. Oh, it's all gonna fall apart. Look at this. We got the golden outside here. Got all the lobster roll stuff in there. That's pretty good. A little heavy on the lemon. Too much lemon. So, don't use as much lemon as I did in this video. But otherwise, the crunchiness of the roll outside, all nice and toasted up on each side. The lobster, I think it's great. Super buttery. But leave comments below what you think. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Guys, I'm so excited.
You gotta tell me you're gonna start.
Oh, sorry. Make sure I'm in the video.
Yeah, but you can't wear them. You're not supposed to wear them.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
A minute. Some people put these at the end of the videos, the bloopers.
I'm not doing that.
Why we're gonna do that?
They're funny when they're not your own. My mom used to do that all the time. This.
That means something. I think that means something bad.
It does. It means
This-
like fuck you or something. This one's a flying ass.
I was gonna put it in the video, but now
you're not.
now you're.
This is a flying asshole. My mom used to do it all the time. The nose thing is bastard. Is it bastard? It's something.
All right, ready? Here we go.